Airtable CRM. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for Airtable.com in the search bar. Log into your account using your email and password, and if you do not have one, create an account first. You will be directed to the homepage. From there, go to the left sidebar and navigate to the Workspace section and click on it. Once you are in the Workspace section, click the Create a Workspace button located at the top right corner of the page. Start by entering your new workspace name. Then click the Create button to continue. Once a pop-up appears, click the Build an App with Omni section to proceed. In the prompt field, type Create a CRM for my startup to track leads and customer relationships. After entering the text, click the Build It button and wait until the progress is completed. Once your page is ready, you can begin by editing whatever you want, such as entering lead name, your company name, contact email, and any other option that provided.